Alright, ladies and gentlemen, friends of all ages, Gina is going to climb down this very steep ravine, and then she's going to shimmy on up that ladder right there that's built onto, somewhat precariously, onto that tree. And then she's going to take a rope ladder, as you can see one right in the water down there. I believe that's wolf style, but I may be wrong. And Gina, once she climbs down this very steep ravine, shimmies up those hastily erected ladders, is going to swing her way across to the other side of the bank over there. Right over there. Are you ready?